how to download God of War Ragnarok on your Windows computer. So first we need to open a browser. You can use any browser, but I'm using Chrome. And then you have to search for Steam, right? Just for search for Steam, and this will be the first result. Click this result, and then from here you will find this option, install Steam, and then again install Steam, download and install Steam. All right, then open the folder. So this is the folder. Just double click. Yes. Next, choose your language. Next, choose your destination and press the install button. I'm not going to do it because I have already installed Steam on my device, so I'm not going to repeat the process. So yeah, then Steam will look like this. This will be the Steam logo, and if you are new, you need to create an Steam account. It's pretty simple. So after creating the account, this will be the Steam interface. So from the top left corner there will be a store. Press the store, and then there will be a search box. From here just type God of War Ragnarok. This is the game. Just, and then as you can see, this is the game. From the bottom you need to tap this, add to cart, view my cart, continue to payment. So from here you just have to pay for the game. Of course it's not free, so you have to pay for the game, and after you have successfully completed the payment, the game will be listed on your library somewhere here. Just click the game and install, tap the install button, and that's pretty much it. You will be able to install the game, and then you will be able to enjoy the game. So yeah, that's it. That's how you play God of War Ragnarok on your Windows computer. Hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching.